Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joseph and today I'm going to be doing some dissection. Yeah, you heard me. So you remember when you were at school and you had to go to the lab and perform a dissection on a tissue? That's what I'm going to be doing today. However, I'm going to be dissecting the charts. I'm going to completely obliterate the chart. You want to find out? Let's go. What if I tell you that if you look at this chart and you focus on what's inside this box, that you're going to see at least 10 different trading opportunities that you missed. So allow me to show you, and I'm going to take you back to the beginning of this box. We had an impulse leg here, followed by a correction, a pullback, and this pullback is a 1, 2, 3 contraction. Now if you know how to trade contraction and expansion, then you would put your box here and then draw a line through the middle of the box. This would have presented you with a good trading opportunity and you would have made some money here. But what you're also going to notice is the fact that we had an advanced pattern here. So I'm going to bring in my Fibonacci, swing high to swing low. We got the 50% retracement, so we got a bad pattern. So I'm just going to draw it out. As you can see, that is a winning bad pattern. And that bad pattern was immediately followed by another advanced pattern in the form of a cipher pattern. As you can see, so we got a bearish cipher pattern. I'm going to change that to red. A bearish cipher pattern that completed somewhere there. Even though the market went a little bit higher, that still ended up being a winning trade. So again, you would have made some money here on a bearish pattern short. So I'm going to delete the Fibonacci. And if you look very closely where we had the cipher pattern, we can see that we had a 1, 2, 3 contraction. So again, if you know how to trade contraction and expansion, you would put your box around the 1, 2, 3 structure and draw a line through the middle. And you would have had your trade again. This would have been a winning trade that would have made you some money. So let's move on to trade opportunity number 5. Now if you look at this structure here, we had another advanced pattern in the form of a butterfly pattern. You bring in your Fibonacci, swing high to swing low. You're looking at the 786 retracement. That gives you a butterfly pattern. So I'm going to draw the pattern here because the bearish pattern and the bad pattern, the butterfly pattern, will complete somewhere at the 113 Fibonacci extension. I'm going to delete that. So let's move on to trade opportunity number 6. If you look at this next structure here, so we had an impulse leg here, which was followed by another contraction. So right here we had a contracting pattern here. And if you understand how to trade these contractions, especially the channel contraction, you would have focused on these break of structure and you would have seen that the market did not break the previous structure. So in that case, you would expect the market to come down to the previous structure, and that would have given you an opportunity to go long again, making you some money. So that's trade opportunity number 6. So let's move on to trade opportunity number 7. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to focus on this whole structure. If you look at this whole structure, you're going to see that we do have an advanced pattern in the form of a Gartley pattern because the market came into the 618 Fibonacci retracement. So I'm going to bring in my triangles. Because it's a bullish Gartley pattern, we're going to go with green. And then that would have given you an entry at around the 127 Fibonacci extension. So I'm just going to bring in my Fibonacci in a second just to confirm that we had the 127 extension. 127 extension right there. Again, this would have been a winning Gartley pattern. So let's move on to trade opportunity number 8. Again, is an advanced pattern. So if I bring in my Fibonacci, swing high to swing low, we have a 50% Fibonacci retracement here, giving us a bad pattern. But in this case, a bearish bad pattern. So again, I'm going to change that to red. And there you go. That would have been another winning advanced pattern that would have made you some money. I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci. And we're going to move on to trading opportunity number 9. Now, if you look closely, looking at this structure, we do have another contraction here. A contraction where the market broke out of this structure. Again, this is very similar. This is just a mini version of the previous contraction. So the market will come back down to the previous structure low. There. And then the market will rise. Again, another winning trading opportunity that would have made you some money. Now let's move on to trading opportunity number 10. Again, if you focus on that structure, you bring in your Fibonacci, swing low to swing high. You can see that the market came into the 6-minute retracement and between the 141 Fibonacci extension, giving us a cipher pattern, a bullish cipher pattern. So I'm going to bring in my triangle again. I'm going to change that to blue, to green. So trading opportunity number 10. But we're not done yet. I'm going to show you the final one. So I'm going to delete that Fibonacci and I'm going to focus on this whole structure right there. Swing high to swing low. Can see that the market has come into the 618 Fibonacci retracement, giving us a godly pattern. So I'm going to bring in my triangle here. I'm going to change that to red because it's a bearish godly pattern. And then we're looking at the entry at the 127 Fibonacci extension. So if I bring in my Fibonacci, swing high to swing low, and 127 Fibonacci extension, we can see that's where the market is currently at. So therefore, when the market reopens on Sunday, you're going to have a potential shorting opportunity. And guys, every single trading opportunity that you see on this chart was a winning structure. It was a winning strategy. So there you have it, guys. If you watch this video and have absolutely no idea how I did what I just did, then you really need to consider learning some technical analysis. So click the first link in the description and that's going to take you straight to my website. You need to scroll to the bottom of the website and you're going to see 3 of the courses that I do teach. And today's video was just based on these 2 courses. So get one or even both, and then you can learn how to analyze the market so you can find opportunities to trade and make some money. Until next time, see you guys.